My name's Faye Myers. I am Abraham Myers' mother. Before the accident, he rode his bike to Greensboro 2 or 3 times a week. He was always on that bike. He loved it. He delivered everywhere, downtown, hospital, anywhere he delivered. Rain, sleet, or snow, it didn't bother him. He loved his bike. He found a job he loved to ride his bike. His bike was number one. He would change wheels, he would change color, he would buy new bikes, but his bicycle was the number one. On that Saturday afternoon in June, he was coming home from work on a bicycle, coming down a hill by the Y, and there's a stop sign there, and this lady ran it. And he tried to board her, but it was just too late for him. He went head on, then flipped him over the vehicle, and he sustained severe head trauma. On the Monday after the accident, I had about 100 letters from attorney. I laid them in the floor, and I looked at them. Whitley Law Firm just jumped out at me for some reason, and I felt in my heart that these was the right people. When the first time I called, the secretary answered. She said she'd get Bob to return my phone call, which he did promptly. And we had a long conversation, and he said he sent his son, Ben, to meet me. And he met me at the hospital in the waiting room, and we talked, and I felt comfortable with him. I could talk to him about anything, and I can call him about anything. So with these attorneys, this is the kind you need. That's not going to turn their back on you after it's all over with. They talk to him, they explain to him what they're going to do, and to make sure he is well taken care of. And they've been with him from day one and still with him. I couldn't ask for no more better attorneys for my son than them. Whatever he needs, I can call Ben or Bob, and they return my phone calls, and they work with us to make sure that the people who's taking care of Eve are doing their job. That's important to me. I want him to have the best care. That's what they're getting paid for. No, I don't want nobody mistreat him. Nobody. So Ben and Bob's there to make sure that nobody mistreat him in no shape or form. It's the compassion they have for their clients they get. That is number one. Some attorneys come in, they do what they do and walk away and never talk to you, nothing. But they don't do that. They are right there every step of the way. Anything happens to me or Eve or they're going to be there for us. And when I call them, they all are really nice. They just make you feel, they treat you like family. And that is the number one. They treat you with respect.